No matter how much we fight, people want to push us around, but I'm done being silenced. I'm gonna stand up, I won't let them break me. I'll keep yelling and fighting my heart out, not just for me, but all those who feel like they can, and keep those I love safe. No, no, I'll fight for us. To love who we want, no matter what. I know it can be scary, but I'm here to protect those who can. So if you feel brave, why not come join the battlefield? Come join, join us on the battlefield. Oh, we can fight together. As the moon shines, we can win the war and be free. Fight with us if you're brave enough. Our little pride warriors, come join us on the battlefield to keep us safe. We may not all be able to fight, but that just makes this more important. Fight for us, we are pride warriors. Pride warriors. Pride warriors. Continue, our ancestors fight and keep us all safe. For us, we are loud and fires, and will keep us all safe. We will yell our battle cry as we take down and win the war. We are loud and proud, pride warriors.